An adult human body has 206 bones, which provide structure, enable movement, and product organs. Either way, these bones provide us with amazing protection and movement, and as an artist, it's great to know the bones in the body. Hey, I'm artist Muthuswamy. In this video, I will teach you how to draw human skeleton. First, I will divide into 8 equal parts. First part. Human skull generally fits into a human body about 7 to 8 times. Draw a skull with eyes, nose, teeth, add cheek. Second part. Clavicle bones. Third part. Sternum and ribs. Fourth part. Humerus, ulna, spine, pelvis. Fifth part. Radius. Sixth part. Femur. Seventh part. Tibia and fibula. Eighth part. I hope this video provides a helpful overview of the drawing process. Realistic fur drawing is easy and must for human anatomy. For feather detailed video, click my next video. Thanks for watching.